Foot-operated hydraulic lift tables are built for heavy-duty shop use, such as lifting dies and castings, moving machine parts, positioning welders, work leveling, feeding material for pump presses, conveyors and press brakes, and similar material handling jobs. The posts are telescoping to help stabilize and support loads during operation. The tables rolled smoothly on 2 locking swivel casters with brakes and 2 rigid casters. These units feature either a single-speed, 2-speed foot pump or a 2-speed auto shifter that automatically shifts when the table is loaded for maximum operator convenience and safe platform lowering. DC units include a 12-volt DC electric motor to raise and lower the platform. They also include a battery onboard charger and a hand control on an 8-foot coil cord. Different models include a platform that swivels 360 degrees for use as a turntable. Some models come standard with a removable rubber platform cover. Partially stainless steel post tables feature a zinc-plated pump assembly and leg posts, while the platform, base, frame, handle, casters, rigs, and hardware are stainless steel. The foot pump also includes a down-speed control valve, ensuring that the platform lowers safely. The also comes standard with a removable rubber platform cover, adding an extra layer of protection for delicate materials. Overall, this post table is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a sturdy, reliable material handling solution that can handle heavy-duty use. Check out all of our products listed in the Certified MTP catalog and on the Certified MTP website. Certified MTP, your industry leader in the field of material testing equipment. So visit Certified MTP.